Is it still a good time to invest?
A financial advisor will say today is always a good time to invest. And that might be seen in a slightly cynical way or not. But investing, I mean, if you look at what's happened during this pandemic, in the middle of March, markets dropped by anything up to 30% in 5 days. And of course, that was all over the press and everybody knew about it. What people are not so aware of is that 60% of that drop has been recovered. So the situation is already starting to correct itself, largely because it's obvious that the world banks, the US Treasury, the Bank of England and the European Central Bank are throwing lots of money at the economy in order to attempt to get it to survive. So lots of the recovery is coming because there is a real intent and a demonstration of that intent by world banks to stop the economy actually collapsing completely. So lots of investments and have recovered a lot of what they saw as an initial plummet, and let's not get away from that word. It was a plummet, but it's not about timing really. The principles of why you invest haven't really changed because we've got a pandemic. Investment is about time, and it comes back to the same thing. If you can invest a little over a long period, tends to give you the result, whereas trying to throw a lot of money over a short period of time is a risky operation. So it's about, we say in our industry, it's about time, not about timing. And there's lots of statistics that suggest if you weren't in the market at the 10 of the best days in the last 10 years, you probably missed something like 40% of the growth that has happened in the last 10 years. So it isn't about trying to judge when I should buy and when I should sell. It's simply about saying, I need time for this to do a job.